A very good morning to my dear students. I hope you all are good at your home. In this video, we are going to start a new chapter. So, watch this video carefully and attentively.
Hello children, welcome back to your English classes. Today, in this video, you will come to know about pronouns. What do you mean by pronouns? Let's see. When we see a noun repeatedly in a sentence, that sentence seems to be inappropriate. So, to avoid that repetition, we use pronoun. Words that are used in place of a noun are called pronouns. We use them to make sentence less repetitive. Pronouns are words that take the place of a noun. We can use a pronoun instead of a noun. Now children, let's have some example to understand pronoun. Number 1. Richa goes for tennis practice every day. Richa goes with Richa's friend. Now read the next one. Richa goes for tennis practice every day. She goes with her friends. Now tell me, which sentence seems appropriate? I know, the second one. Because instead of using Richa's name again and again, we can use pronoun here. And which pronoun we have used here for Richa? Yes, we have used she. Now read the next sentence. Anushka bought a beautiful purse, but Anushka lost it in the train. Now read the next one. Anushka bought a beautiful purse, but she lost it in the train. So children, here in the second sentence, instead of using Anushka's name, we used she. Children, you have seen gender in our previous class. So, when we use pronoun for girl or whenever we see a female noun, the pronoun used instead of that is she, her, hers, and herself. And whenever we see a male noun, the pronoun used instead of that is he, him, his, and himself. And when we want to use a pronoun for an animal or for an object, so we use it, its, and itself. Now talk about group. If we want to use a pronoun for group, we use they, them, theirs, and themselves. Children, hence the pronouns are used to avoid the repetition of nouns. Pronouns have got various type of classification, but for class 4 we are going to discuss only two types of classification: personal pronouns and possessive pronouns. So let's start with personal pronouns. What do you mean by personal pronouns? Personal pronouns are used in place of the names of persons, animals, and things. When I am talking about any particular person, particular place, or particular thing, the pronouns used in this context are called as personal pronouns. The personal pronouns also have got three important classifications, and the personal pronouns are I, you, we, they, you, he, she, and it. Yes, children. The personal pronouns also have got three important classification. First person, second person, and third person. What are these? We will discuss now. First personal pronouns means the person who is speaking or the person who is talking. Or we can say pronouns of the first person refers to the speaker. Let's see this example. I am teaching. So, I is here first person pronoun. Another example is I wrote a letter. For plural, it will be we wrote a letter. So here for singular, the first person pronoun used is I, and for plural, the pronoun used as first person is we. Yes, children. Next is second person pronoun. Second person pronoun refers to the person to whom we are talking. Second person pronoun refers to the person spoken to. Or we can say pronouns of the second person refers to the listener or the person being spoken to. Like you. If I am talking to you, here you is the second person pronoun. And do you know, children, you can be used for both singular and plural. Look at the examples. Do you like coffee? This is a singular word. I am asking this question to you that do you like coffee? So here you is the singular second personal pronoun. Okay. But when we talk about the plural, the example will be how you all are. Here I am asking this question to many people, but you is plural second personal pronoun. Now, next is third person pronoun. Third person pronoun refers to the person or thing spoken about. Or we can say pronouns of the third person refer to the persons, animals or things being spoken of. Third person personal pronoun whom we are talking about. For example, if I am talking about anyone else or the third party, it will be the third person pronoun. The pronouns which are used here are he, him, she, her, it, they, and them. Look at this example. They will give the money to the poor. It is a noble effort. The pronouns which are used here are they and it. Students, for singular, the third person pronouns are he, she and it. And the plural will be they and them. Yes, children, we have learned about personal pronouns. Now we'll come to the possessive pronoun. Possessive pronouns are those pronouns which are used to replace the noun and also they show some kind of ownership or possession. Ownership means that it belongs to me or that belongs to him, like that. So it shows some kind of belonging. Or we can say possessive pronouns shows possession, belonging or ownership. So children, what are possessive pronouns? A possessive pronoun is a pronoun that shows ownership. Look at this example. The jump rope is hers. So here, hers is the possessive pronoun. In the first person pronoun, the possessive pronoun becomes mine. Like, this book is mine. The other word which is used in plural form is ours. For example, those books are ours. Means when we talk about plural, so the possessive pronoun became ours, and in singular it is mine. Yes, children. In the second person pronoun, the word uses yours. So students, as we have learned that you is used for both in singular as well as in plural. Similarly, the word yours are also used in second person possessive pronoun. Look at these examples. This book is yours. Those books are yours. That pencil is yours. Those pencils are yours. Now, let's start the third person. Third person possessive pronouns. When we are talking about any third person or their context, so the possessive pronoun becomes his, hers, and theirs. For example, this book is hers. Those books are theirs. So here I am talking about the third person. Yes, children, we have discussed about personal pronoun and possessive pronoun. So go through the video and know the difference between personal pronoun and possessive pronoun. Thank you. Have a nice day.